Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best automotive scan tool in this video? I will show you the top 5 best automotive scan tools to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Foxwell NT710. Specifications. Brand name, Foxwell. Model name, NT710. Material type, plastic. Special features, Wi-Fi. Software version, newest. Hardware version, newest. Item type, airbag scan tools and simulators. Warranty, 2 years. Number 4 is Autel MaxiCOM MK900. Specifications. Brand name, Autel. Special features, Wi-Fi. Software update, yes. Software version, newest version. Item type, code readers and scan tools. Processor, 4-core RK3566 CPU. Memory, RAM 4GB plus ROM 64GB. Operating system, Android 11.0. Display, 8-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Launch X431 CRP129E+. Specifications. Brand name, Launch. Software update, yes. Software version, 2024. Hardware version, 2024. Item type, code readers and scan tools. Screen, 5-inch touchscreen. RAM, 2G. ROM, 16GB. Input voltage range, 9 to 18 volts. Certification, CE. Number 2 is MaxiCOM VO7S CANFD. Specifications. Brand name, MaxiCOM. Model name, MaxiCOM VO7S. Electronic, yes. Material type, ABS metal. Voltage, 12 volts. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Software version, newest. Hardware version, newest. Certification, RoHS, FCC, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Launch X431 CRP919E Elite. Specifications. Brand name, Kingbullen. Special features, Wi-Fi. Software update, yes. Software version, newest. Hardware version, newest. Item type, code readers and scan tools. Memory, RAM 3GB, 32GB ROM. Operating system, Android 10.0. Certification, CE.